Alright, well today we're doing our shimmer lights with framesi. We're just going to add some little highlights. When I say little, I mean natural, like 1 to 2 levels, which is best when you're wanting to try something new, but I'm 100% sure what you want is just to go 1 to 2 levels. Most people won't notice it on natural eye, but your client will, because it's just enough to notice. Anything over 2 levels lighter will normally get you a lot different. I'm going to fumble around till I find the right thing I want here. Your hair's so long, I kind of forgot. But we're just going to put a little bit of the liquid on and through, so it's not too heavy, not too saturated. We're not going close to the scalp at all. We are just painting through for a slight difference. And at some point, I'll find my comfort zone with my paddle. So we're just going to do 2 to 3 passes just to make it lighten a little bit instead of a little bit lighter. So what makes this product amazing is that we got your hair cut, and during the conversation of getting the haircut done, you've mentioned I really just want something new, but I don't know what. I don't want to re-shampoo you. I don't want to get rid of all the hard work. So we can just kind of go in and add these and work on your natural tone. And just give it a little bit of a lived-in look. Let me know I didn't patch you with that, did I?
No.
I'm so used to my little world of hair that I only have to worry about what's right in front of me. And today, trying to explain it, I have to worry about what's behind me, beside me, and my poor client is just getting thrown to the wolves with me today. So we're just going to work a little bit through. We don't want to oversaturate. And typically when working with any chemical, you should have a glove on, so I will regret that, what I just did, in about 2 seconds. And we're just going to do 1. It's probably a little more product than we did. 2. And you've got highlights that are subtle and ready to go without having to wash them up. So all we're going to do is work our way around and give her just something a little different until she decides on what she really wants to do different and breaks. Stay away from the scalp. Bring the skin onto your fingers. They put those rules in place for a reason. That's why when you meet any hairdresser, they have 101 colors going on. The most embarrassing thing I've ever done was a parent-teacher conference, and I was rushing to get out of the salon, pulled the color through with no glove, and then went to shake the hand of the principal, and it looked like I worked on cars for a living. And he instantly took his hand away. Like, no thanks, go wash your hands. That's embarrassing. Oh, you can see how light that gets. Did a little bolder section there. And that way, yeah, just kind of, the color that was on your ends, the sun just naturally did its job. It took your natural level without me having a bunch of oils. You were walking in a salon and had somebody get your highlights done. Right. It's a hot mess.
Yep.
It's so much easier. I should have set a timer. Start to finish the scene. And then this way too. Alright, I officially have a little too much on there. I'm gonna grab my towel, get a little of the extra off. And then go back to our 3 passes and watch the color change. I don't know that I would ever recommend that anybody do this on their self, but if they like it, I would find somebody that carries framesi and do, because even knowing everything I do now, I'm still a fair amount of damage to myself. And we are working with really hot heat and very fast. So we're only doing quick 3 pulls. It is not a miracle color for highlights. It's just a bump to something fun to do, which means it's going to have your natural tones in it, and it won't look... Sorry, I was waiting for the pop. Color cheer on, it'll be complementary too. It'll keep that tone instead of washing it out and being too red or too... So if you're looking for just something subtle and just to break up, this would definitely be my pick. If you want dramatic, I would say you need to get a different line and a different technique. That did exactly what we wanted to, close the gap for how light the ends were fading out to, and get it closer to our natural. And then I should have looked at the time before we started. No, that was pretty simple, and I could keep picking it apart and doing more if I wanted, or just for the purposes of what we wanted, just little highlights just to do something different. And then next time, you know, haircut, like, you know, I really love that. We can add a little more in closer to the face. So, in under 20 minutes, start to finish, you have highlights that are natural and will grow out and not be super high maintenance for you. They'll grow out, it'll be, I mean, I guess the question would be, do you like it? Can you see it?
No, sorry, well.
Oh, I know what I need to do. But I have not seen another color or chemical that can give highlights in under 20 minutes. And we did 2 diagonal panels, just to work off, that breaks up when she's down and then covers when pulled back to get her more wear. So no maintenance, no fuss, 20 minutes, highlights. Normally it takes that just to get it in, so.
Right.
We can charge double for that, right? Good to go. What do you think?
Nice.
So now we know it works on color treated hair, natural level hair. Oh, thank you. It's really cool. You notice?
A little bit, yeah.
It's subtle.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying. A 1 to 2 shade difference is subtle.
Right.
Anything above those 2 differences is when you'd be dramatic.
Right.
And I think, and dramatic equals maintenance.
Right.
So if you're looking for low maintenance, you want to stay away from dramatic. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is ATC with Tonya D. Amy at ATC. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.